Everyone on YouTube eventually gets their dream car. We did it. I can't believe it. We finally did it, boy. Alright boys, we are back in Oregon and we're already at the scooter swap shop again. We are back just for the weekend. We're gonna do some riding. My Zuma's somewhere here in Oregon. I believe it's at Skylar's shop or Brandon's house. We're gonna pick that up. We got an Elite to pick up for Joe's knee ride and we're gonna get some riding in. What in the world is going on in here?
I like the pipes like that.
Yeah. That was...
Brandon, you just let your employees stand around? Can you hire me?
It's not gonna be that bad.
Yeah.
Yep. Give her the beans. Shit, that's how you're doing it? It's springtime, it's time to get those scooters dialed, and we have a full kit here for Yamaha Zuma. So this is the same kit, pre-bug and bug-eye Zuma. This one specifically right now we're looking at is the pre-bug kit, but it's the exact same kit. You're getting, again, the 12mm Polini crank and Corsa combo. So this was the same kit we were doing for Black Friday sale. This is a full-blown kit. This comes with everything you need. We got the Stage 6 big intake right here. Like I said, the Corsa, the Polini CP21 carb. Super good carb, and it comes with all the jets you need. With the pilot jets and the main jets in this kit. We have the crank bearing and seal. We got an air filter kit to throw on with the new carb. We have everything right here you need for your CVT, going along with the Melosi Fly, clutch and bell combo. We have the Melosi variator setup with a Contra, variator, rollers, and some extra S23 rollers. Melosi belt, we got clutch springs, so you can really tune this clutch, because right now it comes with the white springs. You got all the springs you need right here to really get this thing dialed in. But Yasuni R exhaust, perfect exhaust for this setup. Like I said, this setup right here you can find on 5+ scooters I built on my channel with Corsa, Yasuni R, and everything right here for tuning wise. You can get this whole kit right now for $999.99. You're saving a few $100 if you grab this thing complete using the link right here. Enter the code MOPBOYZ at checkout, save yourself a few $100 and get your scooters dialed this spring. We got the OG pre-bug. We found it out here in Oregon at Brandon's shop, and she still runs, dude. She's... Just got the OG fixed up. She obviously sitting on flat tires. Pipe was completely rusty. Took a scotch stripe to it. Looks terrible. That's all right. Oiled her up now. She's good to go. Took the kicker off because the kicker, it's like this bike was just pissed off I wasn't riding. Everything got like kind of seized up. Now, old baby girl, she's ready to go. She's a little clanky though, I'm not gonna lie. Bottom end sounds a little clanky, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. We just got Steve's Elite, which Josie's gonna be riding right now because Steve couldn't make it. And we're dialing that thing in right now. We miss Portland up here, man. It's so much sicker to ride up here. This is the first time we actually got to ride the OG pre-bug up here in Oregon. Last time Brandon got to ride this on ferry to ferry, and we finally got to whip this thing out. And I gotta say, bro, this thing is dialed. I kind of forgot how dialed this thing is. Thing feels good, and it's got the stock bars. I've been digging stock bars on bikes lately.
started first. I don't just, it doesn't barely turn, so.
What about is this wing touching the ground and coming off?
No, the truck doesn't latch, so it just bounces off. No, it clicked.
Oh, I got a cramp in my foot. Ah! Clicking.
It needs a tap.
I swear!
You're spinning.
Starter just need a little tap, bro. Just a little tap on the starter. Yeah, it just comes together so nicely.
Oh, that's
Oh yeah, she's clearing. Yeah, she's clearing. Slapping in gear.
Just take a hammer, just hold it behind the bed, pull on it.
Are we taking this all the way there?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, he wasn't even looking.
He wasn't even looking. God. No way. Fucking back to work, no problem. You stress driving this thing, bro? Or bro.
Oh!
Straight up. I fucked with these shades, man.
Dude, fire, right?
I saw the video. I don't want to go into
We're gonna get these Zumas tuned up and we're about to go rip these things too, brother.
That is not safe.
Deep on the Zuma repair with the quick seat hinge. Come on now. Come on now.
Socket. Scrap steel. Come on
That
now.
thing ain't going
Come on
nowhere.
now.
That thing ain't going nowhere. Here's the problem with these Instagram guys, you know. This guy builds a BMW, gets a big head, and now he thinks we're giving him free labor. Wait till he gets the invoice for this.
Oh, fix that. Nothing in the summer, little baby.
Alright.
Better than ever.
Both the pre-bugs running now, boys. Hold up here, both pre-bugs are broken. Skylar got the green one running, which ended up being, what, a completely plugged exhaust?
Dude, the exhaust was plugged like in the actual like pipe itself, not
Like
in the fucking
the header of it was like scorching hot. Bumper was
And
ice cold.
the vacuum for the fuel petcock was put an oil injection on the carb. Science.
White one, we threw a variator in it, and we threw a seat bracket. We made a seat bracket out of some flat steel. I welded a socket on it, chopped it, and now we have a seat mounted on this thing.
Let's go to Portland, motherfucker!
Alright, let's go to Portland. It's time. We have put in some major work on the boys' scooters today, but I think something's going on with that bro scooter again. I think right now though, we might have 90% of everyone's bikes somewhat running. Oh, so nasty. on a brand new Z. He was riding a Typhoon yesterday and he decided he'll grab a Z this morning for today's ride because the Typhoon was not cutting it bone stock. Pretty solid crew of people right now for a little random night ride. I can't believe we got Should Be Good and all the homie Zumas running like that. Oh my god. She's found the plug?
Yeah, plug wire.
Oh.
It came out of the cap.
Boys, we're finishing up our last bit of the night ride right now. He's got some grub. It is chilly now, boys. That looks sick. This bike feels really good, bro. I'm telling you, the stock bars, man. I think it's, what is this guy in this Jeep doing? That's like the 5th burnout he's done in front of us. All right, Billy Bob.
Bye-bye. Thanks for coming out.
Happy birthday. Can you put it on the chip when we walk out?